students, today we are here to discuss Sridharacharya formula and its application. Before we start today's lecture, let me introduce my institute in front of you. Edunotech Private Limited is an institute which works towards the betterment of students' academic career. We do not try to act like a typical coaching institute where you are forced to do a certain thing, but we try to act as a guiding force where you are just given the right direction and rest is up to you. We also hold various level scholarship examination to make sure that quality education is accessible even in the remotest area of our country and students are getting the right exposure of the level of the competitive exams. Now, I am Shiva Patel to teach you reasoning here and I have completed my schooling from Delhi Public School Prayagraj and I am currently in BTech third year Mechanical Engineering from JSS Academy of Technical Education. Let us start today's lecture. So today we are here to discuss more about quadratic equation. So what is the general representation of quadratic equation? I hope you remember ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is defined as coefficient of x squared, b is defined as coefficient of x and c is the constant term. Now we solve these equations to find the roots of quadratic equation. Okay. Now that was some sort of a hit and trial method where you used to break b such that it is product of a into c or a into c such that its sum is equals to b. But now in this kind of equation we do not have sometimes as much time in our exams to have to follow the hit and trial method. So we have a really accurate method to solve this, and one of the legends of mathematics, Sridharacharya, has given this formula. It is also called Sridharacharya formula. What is the formula? If you guys remember, it was in your 10th standard. X is equals to, x is the root of quadratic equation. X is equals to minus b, this b, minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is a magical formula. Do remember it. It will be helpful in your future studies. It is used at all levels, be it BTech, be it MTech, be it any competitive examinations including IES, GATE, and definitely in examination like SSC, Railways, and basic level examination of all the states. Okay, this is the formula. Please remember, x is equals to, what is x? X is the root of quadratic equation. It is equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. For example, we solved this equation, if you remember, using the hit and trial method of a into c is equals to b, but this time we'll solve using this. So it is saying x is equals to minus b, here minus b is minus 2 plus minus 2 whole square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 1 upon 2 into 1. What we got? Minus 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus minus 4 minus 4 upon 2 is equals to 4 by 2 plus minus 0 is the same thing. That gave me 2. Now this means both the roots of the quadratic equation is 2 because we are getting only one answer. If we had any value of this discriminant, this is also called discriminant. This much is also called discriminant. If suppose the value of d is 0, that means here it will be nothing. This entire term will be called 0, called off, and then the only term will be left is minus b by 2a. Minus b by 2a will be the root for the quadratic equation. Though that quadratic equation will have two roots and both the roots will be equal, equals minus b by 2a. But if we have a certain value of d, then we will have two different roots. Okay? We will find out in next questions. So please remember this formula. I'll write it somewhere here so that you do not forget. This formula is a magical formula. It is very important for any exam point of view and in your studies as well. Okay. What was the formula? X is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. For those who do not remember what is a and b, let me write for them as well. Ax plus b square, bx plus c is equals to 0. We had another equation, x square minus 7x plus 9, if I remember it right. I don't know. What was the equation? Let me check. What was the equation? Was this the same equation? Probably, I do not remember. I think this was the equation. Okay, so this was the equation. Now, what we will simply do is to find the value of x. Okay? Yeah, we will find the value of x by Sridharacharya formula. What is Sridharacharya formula? B square plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, where a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is 0. Let us put the values and find the answer. Minus b will be minus 7, plus minus b square is equals to plus 7 whole square, minus 4, a is 2 and c is minus 9 by 2 into 2. Minus 7 plus minus 49, minus 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 9, 72, and 72 minus minus plus. That gives me 4 here. Now we will get 7 plus minus 1, 21 upon 4. Minus 7 plus minus 11 by 4. Minus 7 plus 11 by 4 gives me 1, and minus 7 minus 11 by 4 gives me minus 18 by 4. So these are the roots of this equation. So put the value of x as 1, you will get this equation LHS equals to RHS. Put the value of x equals minus 18 by 4, you will again get the same value. Okay? Now, we will take some another question and see how this works. You can take any equation for that. I can make equation like this: 9x square minus 12x plus 4 is equals to 0. And find the root of this equation. X is equals to minus b. Minus b here is minus b here is minus into b here is minus 12. So minus b minus 12 whole square minus b root b square minus 4ac minus 4 into a here is 9 and c here is 4 upon 2 into 9. 12 plus minus 144 minus 4 into 4 16, 16 into 9 is minus 144. 2 into 9 18. So this will become cancelled, the root. It will have same roots, 12 by 18, which is 3 by 4 by 9. So this equation will have two roots and both the roots will be same, 4 by 9. Okay, this is how we use Sridharacharya formula. In the next video, we will learn the application of solving quadratic equations and Sridharacharya formula, how it is used. Thank you for watching our video.